Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you the display settings on HMD Arc. First go into settings and find display. Here you can change the brightness level manually or enable adaptive brightness that automatically changes based on surroundings. Under lock screen you have options like privacy to show all notification content or not show notifications at all. You can add text on the lock screen and use device controls without unlocking. Here we have shortcuts and device controls. You can show double line clock when available. You can enable lift to check the phone so it lights up when you lift it, and wake screen for notifications so the screen lights up when notifications arrive. Screen timeout determines after how long the screen powers off when not in use. I recommend around 1 minute to save battery. Dark theme can be enabled or disabled, switching between dark and light themes. Display size and text lets you change font and display size, and you can enable bold text and high contrast text. Night light turns on automatically at a set time, but you can enable it right now. White balance lets you change the color of the screen and reset it. Auto rotate screen will automatically adjust the display when you flip the phone. Screensaver can be enabled and set to start while docked and charging. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.